It.
It. Finished, everyone? Yes, good, Varsha. It. Ananya, write it. Eat, it. T. Very good, Visha. Next is am. Am. A. Am. A. Am.
Mm. Um.
Am. And Samyam. Kavi Kartika and Dashwan, write and show it to me. It's very good, Mavisha. Am. Very good, Ma. Keshav, good. Vihan, good. Varsha, good. Hazel, good. Mahini, where is am? Where did you write am, Ma? Ananya? Am. Am. Very good. Next is at. 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 Good. It you have written at, Ma. Write at, Mahini. Yeah, good, Visha. Yes, Vihan, Ananya, Hazel. Good. Yes, Varsha. Next is an. 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 Very good. Good. Yes, those who have joined now, parents, please be ready with a little of maida or atta, whatever you have. Put some salt, add little bit of oil, and then keep water separately. We are going to knead the dough in the class itself. Okay. Yes, very good, children. Thank you so much. All of you stand up, join your hands, and close your eyes. Stand up, join your hands, and close your eyes. Very good, Makavi Kartika. Yes.
Dashwan also, ma'am.
Dashwan, why don't you follow the line, Dashwan? Is this the way you write? Are you writing A to Z letters?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes.
What, yes, ma'am? Follow the line and write, okay? Yes, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Ready? Varsha Kidzi Antamma. Varsha.
Kristiantam, you are a me, you are inspiring, beautify me,
You are unique.
you are unique, my potential and pride.
You are the wind.
Me, unique, beautify me, my potential and pride. Today I rest on my mind, I shall achieve you, my potential and pride.
Very good. Very good morning to everyone.
Money, man.
Yes, very good morning to everyone. Yes, good morning. I can't hear what you are saying. Okay, very good morning, children. Keep standing for the warm up activity, okay?
Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands.
come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, 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 run like a tiger. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stomp, 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 stomp like an elephant. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm up time. Stop. Yes, very good, all of you. Now all of you go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance. Dashwan. Very, very good, Dashwan. Hazel. Very good, Hazel. Jason.
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Jason.
இறையம்மன் சொல்லு.
Okay, fine. You are crying. I'll mark you, ma Jason. Okay. Next, Keshav. Very good, Keshav. Radhyani. Absent. Rudvin. Very good, ma Rudvin. Sarah. No. Ananya. Very good, ma Ananya. Sukriv Gautam. Absent. Visha. Visha.
Ma'am.
Very good, Visha. Kavi Kartika.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Kavi Kartika. Yes, very good, Mama. Mahirni.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good, Mahirni. Mitra. Mitra is absent. Taruneshwar. Taruneshwar.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Ma Taruneshwar. Varsha.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Varsha. Vihan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Vihan. Thank you so much, children. Okay, now all of you are ready with your flour, that is maida or atta, whatever it is. Are you all ready with that? Are you all ready, children?
Ma'am.
Yes, sir. Okay, come on, show me the bowl, whatever you have. Let me see. Yes, no need of too much of flour. கொஞ்சமா கொடுங்க, then only it be easy for them to knead it. Okay, கொஞ்சமா கொடுத்தா போதும். Okay. Yes. Okay, now parents, you pour water little bit, okay? If you give it to them, they'll pour more water. So pour little bit of water and start kneading it, children. நல்லா knead பண்ணணும், கையை சேர்த்து knead பண்ணணும். Okay, like this you have to press the flour together. ஒண்ணா போட்டு நல்லா அழுத்தி பிசையணும். Okay, then only all the flour will stick together. கையில ஒட்டுதுன்னு நினைக்க கூடாது. Okay, if it is sticky also, no problem. When you finish kneading it, everything will go off from your hands. Okay, now start doing it. Come on.
கொஞ்சமா எடுத்து இந்த சைடு மேகி விளையாடாம இந்த சைடு எடுத்து தண்ணியில மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட். இவ்வளோ இருக்குல்ல, இதை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுங்க. தண்ணி கசைங்க, இந்த பாரு இந்த பாப்பா எப்படி பண்ணுங்க. கசையில கீழே சிந்தக்கூடாது மாதிரி கூட வாங்கிட்டு ஒன்னாவது கேட்கலன்னா வாங்கிட்டு. அந்த பாரு இந்த பாப்பா பாரு.
Pour little bit of oil, parents, so it will not be too much sticky.
கிளீன்ல பண்றியா?
Yes, very good, Hazel. Good. Ananya, good.
ரவுண்டா
சில்ட்ரன் எல்லாத்தையும் ஒண்ணா சேர்த்து அழுத்துனீங்கன்னா தான் அது இது மாதிரி ஒரு பால் மாதிரி ஆகும். நம்ம
எல்லாத்தையும் ஒன்னா சேர்த்து பிரஸ் பண்ணுங்க. எல்லாத்தையும் ஒன்னா சேர்த்து
don't use both of your hands. One hand is enough, children. Yes, finish. Ananya, like that only your mama will do, ah? நல்லா தூக்கி போட்டு பேசிவாங்களா? Is it so?
எல்லாம் ரவுண்ட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க, நீ தான் பண்ணல. அந்த பால் மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டாங்க.
Very good, Varsha. Super, Varsha. Very good. நல்லா எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்து இப்படி அழுத்துனீங்கன்னா தான்மா இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பால் மாதிரி வரும். If you keep your hands like this itself, nothing will happen. அதுக்கப்புறம் உருட்ட எல்லாமே போயிடும். Everything will go. See here, my hands is also free. See here, nothing is there in my hand. Yes? Very good, Ma, Hazel. Yes, now roll it with both of your hands. Very good, Varsha. Yes, Ananya, do it. Finished, huh? Very good, Ananya. Now roll it, roll it. If it is very sticky, apply some flour or oil and then roll it. Very good, Visha. Hey, wow, children, you all are very experienced, huh? Helping your mama at sometimes, huh?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, ma. Very good, Taruneshwar. Super, Taruneshwar. You did it on your own, Taruneshwar? நீங்களே பண்ணீங்களா? Hey, don't lie.
Mommy, help
யார்?
me.
மம்மி ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாங்களா? அதானே பார்த்தேன். Why mummies don't help the children? Let them do it. You can show them how to do, but fullave நீங்க பண்ணாதீங்க. They have to coordinate with the eye and hand coordination should be there. For that only this activity. So please let them do it on their own. Very good. Very good, Vihan. Very good. Well done. Yes, very good, Jason. Come on, press it, Jason. Nicely like this. Come on, roll it, roll it, roll it. Yeah, now you can get help from your mama. Okay, come on, get it. It is maida, right? That is very sticky. Atta means it will not be too sticky.
Please, ma'am.
Very nice. Good. Good. Very nice. Is your hands clean, children? Show me your hands. How is it? Hey, Mahini also finish. Super, Mahini. Very good. போதும் அந்த மாவு போதும். Come on, எடுத்து roll பண்ணுங்க. Enough. Hey, very good.
ஓகே விட்டு விட்டு விட்டு
Parents, you have to thank me. See how much I'm helping you. Next time, வீட்ல சப்பாத்தி செய்யணும். Ask your children to knead the dough, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Achucho. Very good. Yes, finish, Keshav. Keshav is getting angry, yeah. Okay, Keshav's mom, little bit help him, no? Help him, Keshav's mom. Very bad, sorry. So, Keshav, leave it. Let mama help you. Wait. Let mama help you. Help him, ma.
Ma'am.
Yes, very good. Super, Jason. Roll it. Come on, roll it with your hand. Now all of you show me. Only Keshav. Huh? Mama is giving you chapati regularly. You are finding very difficult to knead it. Yes, fine. Yes, now we are going to do a house out of it. Okay, take your slate and make a house. Take a slate and make a house. Take small balls from this and then make slanting line, standing line and all and make a house. Let me see who is making a house fast. Come on. Yeah, very good, Ananya. Come on. What did you do, Hazel? Make it out of clay. I didn't tell you to draw. Make it out of clay. We have done this down, no? This is your clay today. Now make a house out of it. Now ma'am is also going to do. Finished. Mama's finished. Come on, Jason. Make it out of dove. We made a dove, right? Using that, you do it. Parents, if you are having your mobile, kindly take a snap while they are doing this activity and send it in group.
Ma'am, she needs to draw a house on the slate.
No, I have to make it. We made a dove, right?
Okay.
Using the dove, they have to make a house.
Okay. But you have to put an outline with the.
Yeah, it's okay. You can draw an outline and then you can stick all those doves.
Finish, ma'am.
Very nice, Ma Varsha. Super Varsha. Very good. Varsha has finished. Okay. Next, we are going to do a caterpillar. What are you doing, Ma Hazel? Colored the house, huh? Hi. Where is the house? See here, like this, the house should be. Look at the screen. See how the house is.
House in the மாதிரி.
Essay. Okay?
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Vihan. Hey, what is that extra fitting and all? Very nice.
This is how
Okay.
he draws, ma'am, in note.
Okay, fine. Okay, next, a caterpillar.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, good. Now, next, a caterpillar.
Caterpillar, ma'am.
Yeah, caterpillar means small balls. You have to make it and then you have to attach it. Let me show you, okay?
பெரிய இதா வெறும் அது மட்டும் போடு ஹவுஸ் அவ்வளோதான் இந்த மாதிரி அவசியம் அப்பதான் அவனுக்கு இது பண்ண ஈஸியா இருக்கும் இந்த மாதிரி போடுங்க அப்பதான் இது மேல வைக்கணும்.
Yes, I have made a caterpillar. Can you see? Caterpillar. Ayo. Caterpillar. Why? Who is that laughing, looking at my caterpillar? Who is that? Ah? என்னை விட அழகா பண்ணி காமிக்க பார்க்கலாம் caterpillar. Very good. Finish the house. Now make a caterpillar.
சரி இது பண்ண
Caterpillar. First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. Parents, please take a snap of how they are doing the activity and then send it in group. Dun. Now I have sticked 2 eyes also for the caterpillar using 2 pepper. I've sticked the eyes also. Can you see? Yes. What is that?
Caterpillar, ma'am.
Caterpillar. Really?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, bring 2 pepper. Bring 2 pepper. Adana. Ma'am kannu vechitaanga nee enakku kudu. Bring 2 pepper.
One kanna. Two kan.
Sure, okay.
2 eyes. What is that English, ma? 1 kanna, 2 kanna.
Two eyes.
Okay. Now finished. What is that Ananya has done? Something she has done. Sun. Spider. What is that? What is that, Ananya? Sun. Very good. I was about to say we are going to do a sun. Very good. Super, super, super.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good. Wow. Such a big caterpillar, Hazel. Huh? Yes, good, Taruneshwar. Very good. Super. What Mahin is doing?
What are you doing? சொல்லு.
என்னவோ பண்றாங்க. ஆ? மாவாயிருச்சா? அப்ப நீங்க மாவு ஒழுங்கா நீட் பண்ணலன்னு அர்த்தம். எங்க மாவெல்லாம் கையில ஒட்டவே இல்ல. உங்க மாவு மட்டும் எப்படி ஒட்டுது? How it is sticky? Huh? Daddy didn't teach you to knead dough properly.
Yes. Finish, ma'am.
Okay, go wash your hands and come. Come on, go.
Finish.
Finish.
Ma'am.
Yes, very good, Bisha.
Finish, ma'am.
இல்ல.
Yes, well done. Very good. Okay, now we are going to make a crescent shape. Crescent shape. Okay? Crescent. Very good, Ma Keshav. Super Keshav. Crescent. Okay? You know how the crescent shape will be, right? Like a moon. First, you have to make it like a C, and then
Finish, ma'am.
what you have finished?
Crescent.
Crescent shape, ah?
He did crescent, ma'am.
Finish.
Yeah.
Hey, why are you finishing before, ma'am? Huh? Look here. Crescent. First C மாதிரி பண்ணுங்க அதுக்கப்புறம் another curve shape you make it and stick it. Crescent. Very nice. Good. Crescent. And next you are going to make a smiley. A circle, 2 eyes and a smiley mouth. Okay, next is smiley. Very nice. Good, Kavi Kartika. Yes, very good. And the last one is smiley. Yes. Hey, very good, Keshav. Super Keshav. Parents, hope you all would have received the messages. We have PTM tomorrow. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow will not be having any sessions, okay? And the whole week you will not be having language sessions also. Smiley. Vihan, I finished first. Yes, 4 we have done. One is a house, a caterpillar, crescent shape, and a smiley. Yes, after you finish it, take a snap of what you have done in the slate and send it in group, children. Everyone should send it, then only I'll be able to use your photos in any other occasion, okay? And at that time, you should not cry. என் photo இல்லவே இல்லைன்னு அழக்கூடாது. Very nice, Smiley. Good. Hey, super. Tarneshwar.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, very nice. Visha. Where is your house, Visha? மம்மி எல்லாத்தையும் எடுத்து போட்டாங்களா? Okay, fine. Good. Very nice, Ananya. Take a snap and send it, Ananya. It's really beautiful. Very good, Vihan. Super.
Super.
Keshu also very nice. Hazel also take a snap and send it. Everyone take a snap and send it. Jason, have you finished, Jason? Why is he keeping on crying, this boy? Huh?
இருக்குன்னு கேக்குறாங்க சொல்லு.
ஒரு மட்டும் banana பண்ணி ஒரு
Ma'am, he is very wantedly doing whatever you are not doing. You said crescent shape now, ma'am. He said I want pentagon. Like that he is there.
Okay, do what shape you want now. What shape you wanted to do? Come on, make it. Make it, Jason.
Amma
Don't
said,
cry.
don't cry.
Crying will not do anything. Come on, make pentagon. Come on. Want to make pentagon?
என்ன
No.
shape இது? சரி நீ அழாம இரு. அம்மா house
Started crying, this boy. 2 days holidays are there. You enjoy, okay? No session for 2 days. Okay, fine. Finished?
With Byju's app, children remember their concepts forever.
Yes, very good, Kesha. Well done. Okay, now ma'am is going to present you a video.
Are you ready? And round one! It's a big event tonight, T. Have SH got the brains to beat the champs?
It's too early to tell, Beep. Let's see how this first round turns out. Shh. 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 Oh! Shot! Terrific technique. Will CH be able to top that? Charge! Oh! Jump! Tremendous! The first round goes to CH. Time now for round two. The trick with this event is not to look down.
Breathtaking!
three-legged relay race.
Alpha blocks. Ready, set, go! Bang! SH blast off the line.
Shin. Chin. Chin and shin. And yes, it's a tie. Chin.
Big mistake! Has this lost it for CH?
Shed.
With nothing to beat, the shed wins it for SH!
A tremendous victory!
Amazing! As the winners, you now get to choose your prize. Show us what you've got, Em!
Mash! Mashed potatoes?
What a dish! But we don't want any mash.
More for me!
Show us what you've got, see? Cash! A lovely case with some paper in it. That's a shame. We don't need any paper. Show us what you've got, S. Sash! Gosh! A winner's sash for the winning team! Alpha Blocks!
TH?
TH? Okay. We can't just sing any old thing. We need to sing a song.
Everybody needs something to belong to.
That's more like it.
Everybody needs the sun to shine in spring. Everybody needs a song to sing along to. Yes, everybody needs a song to sing. A bell and a clapper can slap about, but with us, the bell can ring. Ring, ring, ring. A bird in the sky can flap and fly, but with us, the bird can sing.
I can sing.
If you want the bell to ring, if you want the bird to sing, you have to agree you're going to need NG. You can walk up and down with your head in a crown, but with us, you can be king and a king. The bell on your back can be as shiny as you like, but with us, it can go ting, ting, ting-a-ling-a-ling. If you want to be the king, if you want your bell to ting, you have to agree you're going to need NG. You can shake that thing if you want it to ring, but with us, it can go ping. The thing that goes ping. The bells in the tower can chime on the hour. With us, they can go ding, ding, ding. song again. If it all goes wrong in the middle of a song with us, they can go dong, dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. If you want the thing to ding, if you want the bells to ding dong ding, you have to agree you're going to need NG.
Yes, what did you see in the rhymes, children? What did you see in that video? What you saw in that video? Yes? Huh? Ch. Alpha blocks. Okay, fine. Ch sound, sh sound, and ng sound. Yes? Okay, when you're free in your home also, you will have this term to holidays. At that time also, you have to recap all those diagrams, phonics, and then 2-letter words, 3-letter words, everything, children. Don't waste time. Okay? And once again, I remind you regarding tomorrow's PTM. Okay, so kindly adhere to the timing. So thank you so much for your cooperation, children. See you on Thursday. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye. Yes, bye, everyone. Yes, bye, everyone.